What's up, YouTube? Hey YouTube, I'm doing a pack opening for some cards. I'm opening up this first, so let's get started before I waste more time. Also, be opening up two Gen Forces for the Liviera or whatever it is in there. Then also opening some of the newer packs of these here. So let's start with the Order Chaos. Soon I'll have a pod for my phone, so it'll be easier to open all these. So yeah. And we got a stupid raw. Okay. Hope these packs make up for the bad raw. Oh my god, let me just freaking do something easier for this. That's not gonna work. Let's try this. And we got a rare. Reversed it. Next one of Order Chaos. Just cut these for fun. Everything here is for trade. On sale. A rare Evertile, and then a super Zekahawk. Put the rares in here on one pile. Put the hollows here in the back. Next one. Shine of Mist Valley, rare. Then I hollow armor. There's two Order Force Mist. That's what everyone wants. This piece of crap. Okay. Next one, I'll do this here because these have probably good cards in it. I don't know. We'll find out. And we got a rare. There's some swaps. Not good. Not good at all. Where's my other packet? There it is. Okay. I know you guys are waiting on the newer packs. Not the older ones, because these are old ones. This thing here, and then a Crash Bud Super. Now, next packs are the new ones. Let's see what we're getting here for fun. Next song I'm gonna keep on there, because I don't really care. Whatever song comes on. And we get a Heretic Seal of the Ashes. That's pretty cool. Except the song. And oh yeah, the rare was Dead Fit. Nope, not that one.